Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by Golf Course Superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today is April 20th, and I have just got done aerating, seeding, and fertilizing this lawn here. It's a back lawn. It's very shady. And I also put on half of a bag of amendment on this part of his property. And I am going to come back in about a month's time or so and check out and see how this property is doing. And I just shoot these videos as they happen out in the field, so sometimes I don't always get the best lighting conditions. And but once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company. Thank you. Bye-bye.